my Savior came from glory. What if I have no words? What if I have no voice? Eloquence is not my game. Words and poems sound the same. What if I answer wrong? What if I hesitate? I pray that you'll send me to the ones ready to hear. Can you use me to tell somebody, tell somebody, tell somebody about Jesus? Side by side with Jesus walking, can my actions do the talking? Look what he's done for me. I wanna let my life sing. When I see him at the cross, my heart is overwhelmed with love. He left the other sheep, came just to look for me. I pray that you'll send me to your lambs calling in me. Can you help me to tell somebody, tell somebody, tell somebody about Jesus?
Tell somebody about Jesus. 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 Tell somebody, tell somebody, tell somebody about Jesus. Tell somebody.